Hello, this is Mr. Bell, and I wanted to show you this quick video on how to fix the issue if you are not able to see any photos or icons inside your Student Canvas app, and also if you are not able to post pictures to an assignment in that Student Canvas app. They are just a quick settings issues we need to adjust to fix this problem, and I wanted to show you that quickly. We're going to start by being on the student iPad. We're going to open the settings app. We're going to scroll down to Safari. I'm actually scroll up from where I'm based at. And then on Safari, you are going to scroll down to here where it says under privacy and security, and you are going to prevent cross-site tracking. You're going to turn that off. Also make sure that block all cookies is turned off as well. Those are the two things you need to do in the Safari app under settings. This is again in the settings app. And the second thing is you're going to scroll down to the list of apps that are on the student device. You're going to click on Student Canvas, and on here you are going to allow cross website tracking. You're going to turn that on, make sure it's green, and you're going to also reset cache on next launch. Make sure that is turned to green as well, as I had shown you there. Once you have done that, this will be our first step in fixing the issue. We are going to exit out of the settings. You're going to press the home button at the bottom, which is not shown here on my screen, but it is the button on the iPad at the bottom. You're going to double tap that. That's going to bring up all the apps that you currently have open. You are going to crash these apps, or you're going to close them out by swiping up on them. This will close our apps. And then from there, you're going to turn off the iPad. Make sure it is completely shut off by pressing the button on top and the bottom volume button at the same time. That'll bring up the option to power off, and you will power off the iPad and turn it back on. Once you have done that, the iPad restores and turns back on. You're going to go into the Canvas app, and from there you will be able to see your students' apps, their videos, their classrooms. Not their videos, but inside their classroom you'll be able to see their pictures, and you'll be able to upload pictures as well. If you continue to have trouble, please feel free to reach out to tech support here at New Branches at techsupport@newbranches.org by email. Again, that is techsupport@newbranches.org, or you can reach us by phone at 616-243-6221 and press option 5 for technology. If you have any questions with that, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you and have a great day.